So our goal is to set up a basic web page with an image and some text and headers and paragraphs. So we go to w3.org and we find this example code. We copy that code and we put that into our editor. Then we do a file save as webpage1 with the type of HTML. That's important. Next, we come up and we find the icon for that web page that we just created. Open that up and it says insert content here. And we simply paste our story right into the body. And what do we see? We see the text. But we want paragraphs. And we want all kinds of things like that. So we want paragraphs, so we're going to use the tag P for paragraph and a closing with an angle bracket /P. And those two tags plus the text between them is our element. Next, we want some headers. So we do an angle bracket H1 for the large heading at the top, and an angle bracket H2 for the smaller header for the section of our page. Next, we come and we want color. So we do an angle bracket style, and we put a style element in the head section. Now, we have three portions here. We have the H1 and H2, so we do H1 comma H2 as the selector, then curly braces, and then we do the commands. And what we say is text align center. All right, that's nice. Next, we wanted color. So we put a color there for that header, and we say color is dark blue, one of the named colors, which is nice. And below that for the paragraph, we say color blue. Now, we come down and we say background. The background element itself is the full page, and we say background color now behind all the text, and it's going to be corn silk, which is quite the color. I want an image, so I'm going to use an IMG element with a parameter of src equals to, in quotes, the file name. And what happens is the file has to be in the same folder as the web page. Get that image pretty quick and easy. Next, I want the text to move up on the right, so I'm going to use, for the IMG element, float : left, and that brings it up. But now I've got another problem. The text is touching the picture, and that's a no-no. So I'm going back to the IMG and I'm adding another command. I'm going to say margin-right is 1 REM. And EM is pronounced like M, the letter M. So that's the width of the letter M, and R is for the root or the body element, in other words. And I'll say margin bottom, the same thing. And so we see the text pull back.